Hi friends, welcome to SK Tech Updates. Some of us mostly use the mobile in a flight mode, in work time or in a study time to avoid the disturbance from the phone. At that time, if we want to use the internet connection in flight mode through mobile data, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Let's check it out how. First of all, put the phone in a flight mode, then open the dial pad and click the star hash 4636 hash star. If you are using the phone internet connection in the SIM 1, then click on the phone information 1. If you are using the phone internet connection in SIM 2, then phone information 2. I am using the phone internet connection in SIM 1, so I am clicking the phone information 1. Scroll down and enable the mobile radio power. Switch on the mobile radio power. Then click on the more and switch on the enable radio data connection. Yes, it is connected. Let's check it if it is working or not. Yes, it is working. Let's check it. See, the mobile is in a flight mode. Yes, it is working, man. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you, friends.